Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the some of the commodity like crude oil and gold and natural gas where they're gonna work, guys. So you can see here, guys, right now it is the bias dominance area. You can see here. Okay, guys. So right now what we have to do is that here you can expect that if it will goes upside. Okay, guys. Take here somewhere support. Then you can expect your first target, second, third and even up till $130, guys. Okay, guys, just a second, guys. Okay, up till $130 also it may be reached. Okay, guys, if it taken once again from here only resistance or it may be consolidate, then you can expect that if it take resistance somewhere here, you can expect your first target. This will be the second target because there is the buyer dominance, so you have to consciously trade here. Then you can expect your third target. If I have any, I will see the price action or thing, I will update you in the Telegram channel, guys. Go and check out my Telegram channel, link in the description, guys. Okay, guys, this will be the area. And also you can see here, guys, if this will consolidate here only and broke, then you can expect that if this is broken, okay guys, this line is broken, then you can expect that up till here it will came. Okay guys, this will be the first target. If taken resistance, this is the resistance area, taken resistance, you can expect your first target, second target and even third target. Okay guys, I will make the support and resistance area for you. Just shift this. Okay guys, this is the area. Okay guys, if consolidate and came downside, if it will go somewhere here only it came and reversing, you can expect these. Or if it will consolidate came downside, this is the broken, then you can expect first target, take resistance. Up till here you can see. Okay guys, we can see for next natural gas. This is the trend line what I am saying. So you have to consciously trade somewhere here, guys, because this is the major thing happen. If this is broken, then you can expect that if it will take resistance, your first target and your second target. Okay guys, this is the multiple time has been tested. This is the area, so I will expect that it will came downside, take resistance. So you can see here, guys, this will be broken, then you can definitely go now for this up till here. You can see the target. Okay guys, if it will continuously consolidate then broken, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second target and third target. Okay guys, if this trend line consolidation happened then broken, then you can given us bigger momentum if it broken this line, because multiple time has been tested. So it will broken then came downside confirmly. Okay guys, we gonna see the next is gold. In gold you can see here, guys, continuously taken resistance. You can see here first time, second time. So here somewhere I am getting this trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend line. So it may be very high possibility that it may be came once again downside. So if it will take resistance or it coming downside, you can expect your first target, second target, third target, then it will broken, then you can take fresh position, your first target, second target and third target. Okay guys, if it will broken and take somewhere here only support, you can go for first target, second target and even third target too, guys. These are the analysis for some of the commodities. Go and check out the some of the analysis. I have every video posted, I have some of the learning I have told you. Go and check out, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you, guys.